photo shoot today. And the only reason I'm vlogging it is because it's with dancers, so I thought that you guys might find that interesting. I was gonna go to class today, my usual Saturday at noon class, but the shoot ending, or the class ending at 1:30 and the shoot starting at 2 was just like, it was too much for me to feel like I could do both today. I'm skipping class, unfortunately, but I will be at the studio for part of this shoot. It's a fun project we're doing for a blog, a local magazine that has a blog, and so we're doing this kind of like feature about 2 professional dancers that also have like side jobs. It's gonna be like an interview slash photo shoot editorial thing, so I'm pretty excited about it. I haven't had like a personal shoot project probably since early fall, so I'm really eager to get the camera out and work on something fun. So yeah, I just gathered all my gear together and I'm gonna head out. You guys, that was such a fun shoot. Oh my gosh, I got a bunch of video clips. I have no idea actually how much video I got, but I know that I got a lot of video clips, so hopefully you guys enjoyed watching all of that. So we started out at a local coffee shop that I actually never been to before, so that was fantastic. And we did like an interview with the 2 dancers, because the article is about like dancers who also work like a side job and like balancing all of that. And the editor is not a dancer, so she's not aware of like the ballet world and how it works like as a professional or anything, so it was like completely eye-opening to her, which was eye-opening to me because like I forget that the whole world doesn't know how the ballet world works. So yeah, it was really refreshing to be like seeing someone so awed by the ballet world, you know, learning something for the very first time about it. And then we went to the studio, one of the studios where I take class, and we did photos there. I've been dying to shoot in that space, so that was really fun. We got to do that. There's some like really unique light happening, and the girls just looked really pretty, as you could tell. And of course we shot for way longer than we anticipated. So that's just how those things go. Now I'm absolutely starving because I only had like some eggs this morning for breakfast and some coffee, and that's all I've had today. And I had a peppermint tea at the coffee place, which was delicious, but my husband ordered a pizza, and so I'm going to pick it up now. And I'm so excited about it. Pizza.
You getting ready to film?
I'm filming right now.
My hair just doesn't look very good.
Oh my goodness, so dramatic. I just want to show you guys a couple shots. This is the very end, just some lifestyle stuff, but sorry, I got you all vertical. Anyway, really interesting, fun light stuff. I was trying to challenge myself and do some like more dynamic lighting. We've got like some classic bar looking good. So yeah, they were both injured on their left foot, so she was able to, it's not hurting as badly as hers, so she was able to hold herself up, but they were helping each other out. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go enjoy my pizza now and hang out with my husband and have a romantic evening cleaning the house. I hope you guys had a great weekend or having a great day or whatever it is whenever this video gets posted. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!